we're on television now, so
We're
we
back
are.
here again.
Yes, we are.
The
yes,
one,
we are.
The only one. I would like to invite everyone on June 22. That's this coming Friday. In my show at the Philippine Plaza called Beyond Words.
Same producers.
Really?
Yes.
My gosh! Of course, my musical director is Mr. Homer Flores for the Hot Legs. You can get your tickets, or you can call Maximilian
for both our shows.
For both of us.
Sabay tayo. 813-8999 or 893-7757.
There you go. June 22 Friday, and you're still doing
every
on
weekend,
stage, right?
On stage at the Greenbelt. That's Maxi Media, all right? We have to also promote this. Look at this beautiful magazine.
Yes, the latest Metro magazine and the latest Star Studio magazine with the latest faces to watch out for. The next big thing, that's what they say.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Gotta get
beautiful.
your copy.
All right. Now, speaking of rockets.
Happy birthday, Mother B-Boy.
Oh, it's birthday. Happy birthday. Oh, happy birthday.
And to Jilmer's dad, happy Father's Day. Hi, Jilmer.
Okay, go. Speaking of rackets.
Teka muna. Oops, teka lang.
Yan. Linya mo yan eh.
Oo nga. May isa pa tayo nga. Racket.
Okay, here it is. And it's after the great success of her first single, Whoops, Teka Lang, under her latest album, which is Heavenly. Didn't we have a dog named Heavenly?
Heaven Only.
Heaven. Buhay pa?
Oo naman.
I just want to know. I haven't been there for a while. And now she's on, of course, now ready to conquer the airwaves one more time through her newest single, Ngayon, Wala Ka Na.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Miss Aramina with
Ariel Rivera.
getting better.